Hello, my friends. Well, this is what it looks like downstairs, our snowstorm. Lots of snow on the ground. Beautiful flocking on the trees. It has stopped, and I think this is the end of our storm. I hear the snow plow coming. It is beautiful. Lots of snow. This is how it used to be when we moved up here. We haven't had a snow like this in quite a few years. We used to get 6 good snows like this every year, but it hasn't happened in quite a while. Oh, I thought a tree was down over there. I see some limbs down. This is when it gets scary because the trees are heavily flocked with snow and things.